Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Speaking Pro. I'm Trump, and today we have something tremendous. But first, let me ask you a question, a very important question. Out of the 7 powerful morning habits we're going to talk about today, which one is the single most important? The one that truly separates the winners from everyone else? Think about it. I'm going to give you the answer, the real answer, at the very end of this video. You're going to want to hear this, believe me. Now, a lot of people, they think fluency comes from these big, boring grammar books, long hours studying, very difficult lessons. That's wrong. It's fake news. Fluency, it grows. It grows strong, like a great oak tree. And the roots of that tree, folks, are your daily habits. It's true. How you start your day, it's everything. It's so important. Your morning energy, your focus, it's all about winning the morning. It shapes your English learning more than you can even imagine. Maybe you've tried everything. You've downloaded all the apps, you've watched so many videos, you've joined classes, maybe you even lived in another country. But something is still missing, right? You still hesitate, you pause, you're still translating in your head like a computer. You feel nervous, it's a disaster. What if the missing piece, the secret, isn't some new method, but a new morning, a tremendous morning? What if small, powerful actions every morning could change everything, the way you feel about English and the way you feel about yourself? That's what we're doing today. I'm going to share with you 7 habits, 7 incredible habits that the most fluent, the best English speakers have. And they're easy, so easy. So, get comfortable, take a deep breath. We're going to start your English morning together, and it's going to be huge. Okay, habit number 1. A very good one. Start the day in English. The best speakers, the most fluent speakers, they begin their day in English. From the moment they wake up, they connect with the language. When you wake up, your brain is fresh. That's the perfect time to fill it with English. You can describe what you feel. I feel powerful. Simple thoughts. They train your brain to think in English. Over time, this habit, it changes everything. Believe me. You stop translating, you start to feel English. It's a beautiful thing. All right, habit number 2. Listen while you're doing simple things. Many fluent speakers, the best people, they use the quiet moments in the morning to listen. When they make breakfast, they play an English podcast. When they brush their teeth, they play a short story. They use everyday moments. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your ears are learning. Your brain is getting used to the rhythm. Morning listening builds a calm, confident connection with the language. It becomes part of your life, not your homework. Okay, habit number 3. Listen while you're doing simple things. Many fluent speakers, the best people, they use the quiet moments in the morning to listen. When they make breakfast, they play an English podcast. When they brush their teeth, they play a short story. They use everyday moments. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your ears are learning. Your brain is getting used to the rhythm. Morning listening builds a calm, confident connection with the language. It becomes part of your life, not your homework. Okay, habit number 3. Listen while you're doing simple things. Many fluent speakers, the best people, they use the quiet moments in the morning to listen. When they make breakfast, they play an English podcast. When they brush their teeth, they play a short story. They use everyday moments. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your ears are learning. Your brain is getting used to the rhythm. Morning listening builds a calm, confident connection with the language. It becomes part of your life, not your homework.
Okay, habit number 3. Read something small, but do it every single day. The most fluent speakers, they love to read in the morning. They just read a little bit, maybe 1 page. Reading in the morning, it wakes up your mind with English words. You can read about anything you like. When you enjoy what you're reading, your brain relaxes and the English words, they stick. It's like giving your brain a fantastic English breakfast every single day. Habit number 4. Speak out loud, even to yourself. Now this one, it might sound a little strange, but believe me, it's one of the most effective. The best speakers, they talk to themselves. Yes, it's true. They say things like, "I'm boiling some water. I feel tremendous today." Speaking out loud helps your mouth and your mind work together. It's teamwork. You get used to hearing your own voice in English. The goal is to connect your thoughts with your voice. These little moments, they make a huge difference. Habit number 5. Review and repeat something you learned before. The best English speakers, they know that learning something once is not enough. Repetition builds a great memory, a perfect memory. So many of them, they spend a few minutes in the morning reviewing something old. Maybe they look at new words from yesterday or repeat a few useful expressions. When you review in the morning, your brain is calm. You remember things so much faster. It's smart. It's a winning strategy. Okay, habit number 6. Write one small thought. Writing is another beautiful morning habit, a tremendous habit. It clears your mind. You don't have to write a long text. 1 or 2 sentences, that's enough. You can write about how you feel, what you plan to do, or something you're grateful for. For example, "I feel fantastic today." Writing helps you express your feelings in English words. Many fluent speakers write just a few lines every morning. It's a great record of success. And here is the final one. Habit number 7. Set a small goal for the day. Fluent speakers, they often start their day with one simple English goal. It keeps them motivated, focused. The goal doesn't have to be big. Small goals work much better because they are easy to achieve. You get a win. Maybe your goal is to listen to one podcast. Goals give you direction. They make you feel like your English journey is going somewhere fantastic. All right, and that's it for today, folks. 7 powerful, tremendous habits. But wait, before we go, I promised you an answer. I asked you which of these 7 habits is the most important, the one that makes the biggest difference. You have all these great habits, reading, listening, writing, they're all fantastic. But the single most powerful habit, the one that will make you a winner faster than anything else, is habit number 4, speaking out loud even to yourself. Why? Because it's action, it's performance. You're not just thinking, you are doing. You are training your mouth, your voice, your confidence. You are becoming a speaker. It's the most direct path to victory, believe me. Don't be shy. Talk to yourself, It's a tremendous secret. So remember that. Thank you for listening to another incredible episode of English Speaking Pro. I'm Trump. You're doing great. Keep going. Keep learning and keep winning with your English. Bye for now.